Good morning. This is Baina. So we'll start how to configure RM event. Okay. That is for that some we need to configure some uh, steps before that. Okay. Sometimes when we go create order, it won't kick off. In that process, what have to do? We have to see in two ways. One is like we have to go to setup and maintenance, and actions, go to offerings. This is normally for drop shipment configuration. Sometimes it won't kick off for normal uh, orders also, sales orders also. For that, we have to go to procurement, then opt-in features. Opt-in features. Then we have to see one setup here. I go to procurement and features. These are basic setups you have to see. Customer asks, this is customer sales or fulfillment. Suppose you want to do drop shipment or back to back orders. This setup is very needed. Okay. Without this, it won't kick off. Or it will be a throw error. In one more setup we have to set up for drop shipments. You have to go to order management offering, and you have to see that the drop shipment checkbox is enabled or not. That is the one more setup. So we're closing now. We will open. We'll go for order management offering. So in Fusion, will call order management as an offering, and in case of VBS is like a modules. Okay. So we go to order management. This setup is needed uh, for drop shipment concept. So I'm showing the basic setups for drop shipment as well as the basic setups to how to kick off order management backend process. We have to put order management features. The setup is needed for drop shipment drop shipment as well as B2B. If it is not enabled here, the drop shipment it won't kick off. Okay, this is one of the concept we have to enable. Okay, then sometimes though we don't give any error uh, while submitting the request when processing, it won't kick off, it won't start process. For that we have to what like we have uh, mm, uh, process name is called like will show it. This is the manage orchestration process assignment rules. This process is there to go from search insert will come, then click on this. So sometimes the end date will be there. So the end date is there, it won't work. Okay, so you have to see that. So suppose if you uh, when we submit an order, it is not starting. You have to see that. Sometimes it give error. Uh, Otherwise, sometimes it won't start. In that case, we have to see this. So we have to go to manage orchestration process assignment rules. Then you have to see the effective dates. And one more thing is edit, go to edit. Sometimes people will change the generic process. So you have to see that uh, whether process is properly defined or not. Somebody modified it. We have to somebody modified it and it is not working properly. Then you have to revert back to the seeded process. Okay. So this is not working properly. Sometimes people will modify the process. It is not working. You have to take the backup and you have to modify. You have to revisit with the previous one. Then only it will work. Okay. This is the three common steps which is needed. So once you submitted order, it won't be fitted kick off or it will be error. So you have to see in three places. One is order management features, and one more is procurement features. And second, more important it is you have to manage orchestration process of segment rules, and you have to see that the end date is if the end date is there, it won't work, it won't kick off. You have to see, you have to remove that end date, then it will only work. Okay, and also see that the process is erroring now. Then we have to otherwise the back to back is not properly not kicking off. You have to see that whether if anybody modified the custom process, then you have to revert back with the seeded process so that it will kick off. So I will try to create a total process for order management, how to get for normal sales orders tomorrow. This is in between. Please look into this major um, prerequisites for back-to-back or drop shipment as well as normal sales orders. Okay, so we try to create from basics, from the items creation and inventories, how to run that, how to see price list, how to create price list, and everything I will show in coming videos. So I will show, please follow us in YouTube so that we can come to know when you are going to post. Okay. So thank you for watching this basic piece video for order management session. Then from tomorrow onwards, I'll try to create sales orders. For that, before that, I will try to create um, everything for the prerequisites for that to create a sales order so that you will come to know the all basic setups which is needed and suppose any error is there, how to rectify it also I will show that. Okay. So thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day. Thank you.